Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube videos in picture-in-picture mode on both Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. This lets you keep a video floating on your screen while you work, browse, or do anything else. And the best part is, it only takes a few seconds. Start by opening Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your computer and go to youtube.com. Play any video you want just like you normally would. Now here's the key part. Right-click on the video player. You'll see a menu pop up, but ignore that one. Click away or press Escape to close it. Now right-click the video again. This second menu will be different. In this menu, look for the option that says Picture-in-Picture and click it. Your video will now pop out into a small floating window that stays on top of everything else you're doing. You can resize the window by hovering near the edges until your cursor changes, then click and drag to make it bigger or smaller. You can also move it anywhere on your screen by clicking inside the window and dragging it. To control the video, just hover your mouse over the floating window. You'll see buttons to pause, close the pip window, or return the video back to the browser tab. And that's it. You're now multitasking with picture-in-picture. Super useful for tutorials, music videos, streams, studying, or anything where you want the video visible while you work on something else. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more simple tech guides, and comment below what feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.